Let's see the portable PHO-P meter, PHO-P221. This is content. This meter can only measure pH and ORP. So the meter only equipped with pH electrode and a temperature probe. The ORP electrode is optional. It has the same operation instruction with PHO-P221. Let's see the product. This is the instrument. This socket used to connect the pH electrode or ORP electrode. The middle one used to connect the temperature probe. This is the pH electrode. This is temperature probe. This is pH buffer solutions used for calibration. It has the same buttons with PHO-P221. The screen will show this information. It can show the battery level icon, measurement mode icon, calibration mode icon, set mode icon, and this is save icon. Indicates that the measured value is stored in the meter. And this is electrode slope icon, represents the average slope of the pH electrode. And this icon used to indicate the measured value becomes stable. This icon prompts you to calibrate the meter immediately. This icon is data log icon. Means the measured value is logged. This icon is automatic temperature compensation. Means the automatic temperature compensation is enabled. Let's see the buttons. This is measure button used to turn on and off the instrument and freeze the measurement value on the screen. If the measurement is freezed, you can press the button again to resume. When you are in calibration mode or setting mode, press the button can exit and return to measurement mode. This is mode button. Press the button can select a measurement mode, such as pH mode, ORP mode, conductivity mode, and TDS mode. Press and hold the button can enter the temperature setting. This is calibration button. Press the button can enter the calibration mode. Press and hold the button can enter the setup menu. This button can save current measurement value. If you press the button in temperature setting mode, you can increase the setting value. And if you press the button in setup mode, you can scroll up the menu. This button can use to browse calibration records and data records. Also can decrease setting value in temperature setting mode and scrolls up the menu in setup mode. This button used to confirm the calibration, setting value, or display the option. Press and hold the button can turn on and off the backlight. Let's see how to calibrate or measure pH value. We should calibrate when first using or replacing the pH electrode. Before calibration, we should prepare the pH buffer solutions. This is process. Open the buffer socket. Place the powder into a 250 ml volumetric flask. Pour distilled water 250 ml to scale line. Mix the solution until reagent is completely dissolved. After preparing the buffer solutions, we connect the electrode. For pH electrode, you can insert the BNC connector into the socket. Rotate and push the connector clockwise until it locks. Then remove the transparent protective cap at the bottom of the electrode. If tiny bubbles are present in the pH-sensitive membrane, hold the electrode and gently shake it downward to remove the bubbles. The pH electrode has storage solution. You can prepare the solution according to this method. Then we press the mode button to enter the pH measurement mode. The meter can be set with 4 pH options in pH mode. This option is used to select pH buffer group for calibration and auto-recognition. The USA, NIST, DIN are different pH buffer standards. In brackets are buffer solutions. For pH 7 is natural buffer solution. The number lower than 7 are acidic buffer solution. The number higher than 7 is alkaline buffer solution. This option is used to set the number of calibration points. And this option is used to set the resolution for pH measurement. This option is used to set the temperature unit. Every option has default value. For pH buffer, the USA is default. For calibration point, the 3 point is default. For resolution, the 1000th is default. For measure unit, the degrees Celsius is default. We can press and hold the calibration button to enter the setup menu, and press these two buttons to select options, and finally you can press enter button to confirm. The last step before calibration is temperature compensation. As we all know, temperature has a significant effect on pH calibration and measurement. When the temperature changes, the pH and the pH electrode sensitivity will change. In this condition, the meter may measure wrong result. So the effect of temperature compensation is to adjust the readings of meter, make it close to true value. There are two types: automatic temperature compensation and manual temperature compensation. For automatic type, connect the temperature probe to the meter, to the middle socket. The ATC icon is displayed on the screen, and the meter enters ATC mode. Put the temperature probe into buffer solution the meter can adjust the pH value according to the temperature detected by the probe. If the meter cannot detect the temperature probe, only degrees Celsius icon displayed, means the meter entered the manual temperature compensation mode. We need to adjust the temperature manually. You need a thermometer and put the thermometer into buffer solution. Then press the mode button to enter the temperature setting mode and press these two buttons to adjust the value. You need to input the reading of thermometer. Finally, press enter button to confirm. For calibration, there are three types: single point calibration, multi-point calibration, and user-defined calibration. We can press and hold calibration button to enter the setup menu and select different options, like this table. These are options. If we select a single point calibration, we can choose this option and set the number to 1 point. If we select a multi-point calibration, we can also choose this option and set the number to 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 points. After setting the menu, we short press the calibration button and then rinse the pH electrode with distilled water. Then dip it into pH buffer solution and stir gently. Then press enter. This button, and the calibration icon will flash. Wait for the value to stabilize, then the sequence will end, and return to measurement mode. The calibration is completed. When calibrate, the electrode and the temperature probe both need to dip into the pH buffer solution, like this picture. The multi-point calibration has the same option, but when the first point calibration completed, you should change the standard solution. Usually the first point use pH 7, the second point use 4.01 or 10.01. The third point use different solution with the second point, and then you can process the second point calibration, then the third point calibration until the end icon displayed on the screen. The multi-point calibration is completed. Let's see the measurement. First, we press mode button until the pH icon shows. Then rinse the pH electrode with distilled water. Dip the electrode into the sample solution. Stir gently. Wait for the reading to stabilize. Finally, record the measurement value on the screen. If you choose PHO-P221 option in the setup menu, the meter will lock the measurement endpoint. That means the meter automatically detects change of the measurement value and locks when the measurement value stabilizes. You can press this button to resume. If PHO-LD disabled, the meter will measure continuously and update the display. Let's see the ORP calibration and measurement. Before using the instrument, a suitable electrode needs to be selected. For 501 is used to measure strong oxidation reduction potential. For 502 is used to measure weak oxidation reduction potential. For 504 is used to measure high temperature samples. Then connect electrode. Insert the BNC connector into the socket. Rotate clockwise until it locks. Then remove the protective cap from the bottom of the electrode. Then you can select the measurement mode. There are two modes, absolute millivolt and relative millivolt. The relative millivolt measures the potential difference between the electrode and the standard hydrogen electrode. The absolute millivolt measures the potential difference relative to the reference electrode. If we use absolute millivolt, you can press mode button until the MV shows. If we use relative millivolt, you can press mode button until R point MV shows. Let's see the calibration steps. First, rinse the ORP electrode with distilled water. Immerse it into the standard solution and stir gently. Wait for the measurement to stabilize. Then press the calibration button to enter the calibration mode. You can press the two buttons to set calibration value. Finally, press Enter button to confirm. The screen will display end icon. Calibration completed. Next, you can process the measurement. First, we press the mode button until the ORP shows. Then, you can rinse ORP electrode with distilled water. And then, you can immerse it in the solution and stir gently. Wait for the measurement to stabilize. Finally, you can record the measurement value on the screen.